Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the AIPER Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. I have looked through the internet and real-world pool cleaning expectations to understand whether this is worth buying or not and who this is really made for. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The model we're talking about here is the AIPER Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. And the first thing that stands out is its completely cordless design. In real-world usage, this means you do not have to deal with tangled power cables, external pumps, or complicated installation. Simply charge the unit, place it in the pool, and let it start cleaning on its own. The Seagull SE is equipped with dual-drive motors and a suction system rated at 1,200 gallons per hour. In practical usage, this allows it to pick up common debris such as dirt, sand, leaves, small twigs, and other particles that typically settle on the pool floor. For routine maintenance cleaning, it does a solid job of keeping the bottom of the pool looking clean between deeper manual cleanings. One of the biggest advantages of this unit is its simplicity. Unlike more expensive robotic pool cleaners that require app connectivity, advanced mapping, or complicated setup procedures, the Seagull SE focuses on basic cleaning performance. In real-world usage, this makes it ideal for pool owners who simply want a machine that can handle everyday debris without requiring constant attention. Battery performance is another important feature. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, this cleaner is capable of covering many standard above-ground pools in a single cleaning cycle. In practical terms, this means you can place it in the pool, let it complete its cleaning session, and return later to a noticeably cleaner pool floor. A particularly useful feature is the smart self-parking function. In real-world usage, when the battery becomes low, the vacuum automatically moves toward the pool wall and stops nearby. This makes retrieval significantly easier compared to older cordless pool cleaners that might stop in the middle of the pool and require extra effort to remove. The LED indicator system is a small but useful addition. It provides quick status updates about charging, operation, and battery condition, helping users understand what the cleaner is doing without needing an app or control panel. Now, it is important to understand where this product fits in the market. This is not a premium robotic cleaner designed to climb walls, scrub water lines, or create advanced cleaning maps. In real-world usage, it is primarily focused on cleaning the pool floor. If you own a large in-ground pool and want complete wall-to-wall cleaning coverage, you would likely need a more advanced robotic model. However, for above-ground pools up to around 40 feet in size, the Seagull SE offers a very convenient maintenance solution. It reduces the amount of manual vacuuming required and helps keep debris from accumulating on the bottom of the pool. So should you buy it or not? If you own an above-ground pool and want an affordable cordless robotic cleaner that is easy to use and requires very little setup, then yes, this is a solid option. But if you are looking for advanced navigation, wall climbing, waterline scrubbing, or premium smart features, then you may want to consider a higher-end robotic pool cleaner. Overall, the AIPER Seagull SE is a user-friendly cordless pool vacuum focused on convenience, simplicity, and routine maintenance cleaning. It is best suited for above-ground pool owners who want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying their pool.